The creation of standard inspection report in Microsoft Excel or Word is tedious and tough, and I wanted a tool to create a compliant inspection report or inspection checks like the pre-pour checks published here in the previous video, and export them instantly as PDF. Welcome to this construction inspection manager. This is a C# application which I built to create dynamic drag and drop inspection report. The UI is designed around a classic builder layout. On the left, we have the main toolbox. These are our building blocks: check boxes, signature, inspection items, QR code. At the center is our canvas. This is where we build the actual report structure. And on the right, we have the properties pane. This is dynamic. When you click an item in the canvas, its specific settings appear here. Let's build a pre-pour inspection report together. First, we hit the setting button. We will enter the project. The project name was already set, and the report title. We can also change the report team, the inspector names, and we also set our preference whether we would like to add a cover page on our report, the page number, or the table of contents. The company details, we complete the company details including the logo. We must also choose our report template. The main difference here is on the header, the report header. So I will choose the formal report template. Let's save it. Our report needs a structure. I will add a section and rename it. We already have another section on the canvas, so let's just rename it. We are going to call this formworks and shuttering. Yes, that's fine. This will be the title of our section. Let's drag and drop an inspection item. This isn't just a text box. It's a complex control with a radio button to set the status of the item being verified, a comment section to add our observations, and a picture to upload the images of the site to illustrate our findings. We can also add a QR code. This is very powerful items because this allow you to link this particular report or this particular section to a drawing located on your server or on your Google Drive. What you need to do is to add the URL to this particular drawing. For instance, I will just type the URL of the website. That's it. And for our inspection item, let's change the titles to cleanliness, and this will be rechecking the surface of the formwork. So we're checking if the surface is clean and free of old concrete. So our observation here is all is in good order, and we check the button to say all fine. Let's add a random picture. This should be the picture of the section, the location being verified, or it can be, a formwork, whatever, to reference your inspection. We can also add a signature block. We can say this, we can call this engineer signature. Let's add another signature box, this time for the site manager. There we go. We must add another sections, and to do that, to make things go faster, we can just add, we can duplicate this section by clicking this icon, duplicate section, and this will copy this particular section with all its items This makes things easier for us, and you can just rename this section. We are going to call this reinforcement. And then the items, we can edit this item. We will call this main bars, and here we're checking the dimension, the diameter, the number of bars, and the grade. We're making sure it's matching the schedule. Here we go. We will make no change on the QR code. We can delete the engineer signature here. Once we're happy with all our items, we can then preview the report by clicking this preview button. Here we go. This is our professional report. As you can see, the cover page, the page content, the table of content, and the report sections. If you are happy with the report, you can print it from this button or save it to a computer using this save as. This will save it as PDF document, or you can also use this export PDF to export the document as PDF to your computer. That's it, guys. Find the link to the demo in the descriptions. Test it, try it, and send through your feedback.